Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Casio AQ 230. So this is the one with the digital analog display. So you have a digital display here at 6 o'clock, and you also have the analog watch hands, as you can see right here. This can be used to display 2 time zones, so a very useful watch. As you can see, the watch is in working condition now because it has a new watch battery, but I'm going to show you how to replace it. This is maybe one of the easiest watch batteries from Casio to replace. So you are going to need a basic case opener, watch knife. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to the basic watchmaker toolkit so that you can purchase it, and you are going to be able to replace the watch batteries on your watches. You are also going to need a pair of tweezers in order to grab the watch battery. I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you want to do is to take the back case opener, and as you can see, you want to place it underneath the back of the watch and in between the back of the watch and the case. Let's do that just like this, and now you are going to push it towards yourself. So you are going to use the case as a lever in order to open the back and to remove the watch battery. Now there are a few important things to remember here. The first one is that you are going to find this rubber gasket, as you can see right here. So make sure to take it, grease it if you have the option to do that, but always place it back in within this groove right here in order to preserve that water resistance of the watch and to make sure that you have that water resistance when you go, let's say, outside and it's raining and so on, maybe even go inside the pool in case you have more modern watches. Now also something important is that after battery replacement we need to contact AC with a pair of tweezers with the minus. So we are going to do that after we have replaced the watch battery. So that is why you need a pair of tweezers. Once again, you are going to find this within the basic watchmaker toolkit. Now, as you can see, we have the watch battery right here, and it is protected by this metallic cage. So this is the watch cage. Make sure not to touch any other watch parts, as you can see the coil right here, because you are going to permanently damage your watch. So we are going to operate only here and here in order to make the AC reset. Now, as you can see, we have this metallic part right here, and if I were to push it upwards, I'm going to actually open the cage. So that is the easiest way in order to remove the watch battery. Now you are going to use the pair of tweezers in order to remove the old watch battery, and as you can see in this case we have a Renata 371. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to this exact watch battery type so that you can pre-order it before working on your watch. Now a very important thing is that the plus is going to be facing downwards, not as you find on regular watches. Usually you would place the watch battery in this way, but on this particular model you are going to place it this way. So you are going to take the new watch battery, place it facing up, and then you are going to push, so you are going to press down this watch cage, this metallic part. Then we are going to look at the watch to make sure that it is in working condition, as you can see right there. And now what we need to do is to connect the AC with the minus, and you need to do that for around 3 seconds. As you can see, we are going to grab the sticker a little in order to be able to reveal the minus, which is going to be right here. So we have a small arrow that indicates the place for the AC. So I'm going to place one tip of the tweezers there and one at the minus, and I'm going to hold it for 3 seconds, just like that. And now when I'm going to look at the watch, as you can see, it has been reset to 12 o'clock and just a few seconds have passed. So I have made the AC reset. I'm going to leave the sticker right here because you need people to know in order to do that after the battery replacement. Then I'm going to take the gasket and place it back within that groove. So make sure to take your time. As I mentioned, there is no rush and you do not want to damage your watch. And then you are going to grab the back of the watch and place it, let's say 2 tips on one end, and then you are going to press down the other end as well. And as you can see, we have successfully replaced the watch battery on this Casio AQ 230. This is a really quick and easy tutorial when it comes to this Casio battery replacement. We have a bunch of other tutorials about Casio G Shock, let's say, battery replacements, the F91W. So if you want to watch more videos, make sure to check them out. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, if you enjoy these type of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews. Once again, like the video, subscribe, because it is really important for us, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.